Can't say I approve of your methods, Detective. But you get results.
Uh-huh.
But there's one thing I gotta know. How did you solve the murder of Mrs. Mirthwood?
It's really quite simple, officer. I'm psychic.
Say, thanks again, Neil, for fixing my computer yesterday.
Don't mention it, Kev. It was just a pesky virus. Luckily, I was able to get it off of your computer and put it onto this floppy disk.
Wake up, losers, because the 6th annual Mega Gamer Championship qualifiers are finally here. All the best games. The universe's acme of professional gaming athletes. The ultimate test of worthyhood. Are you up to the challenge? Then get yourself down to the Pinball Wizard today, or hang your head in
The qualifiers are today? How could I forget?
I've been hiding our calendars.
This is all so sudden. While we're sitting around here twiddling our thumbs, other kids are lining up for those video games.
What exactly is a video game?
Video games, Kevin, are a form of interactive entertainment programmed on computers.
Televisions with typewriters, if you will.
Yeah, I have a computer.
Behold, VidKid.
Who is that?
That is Daxter Flaxter, 3-time World Mega Championship champion of computer fighters. He beat the world record by 6,000 points.
And not a soul knows how. No one's laid eyes on him since.
Computer Fighters 2000.
It looks so real.
And it's waiting at the arcade for us as we speak.
I've been studying every move in this magazine all month. I'm gonna rule that arcade.
Like a king.
I'm gonna be a computer fighters champion. For real.
Boy, this place is pretty happening, huh?
There it is!
Computer Fighters 2000.
A line?
Yep. And you can thank old Mitch Dollarton III for that. Next victim! That pennypacker actually owns the game back home. Nobody can beat him.
Max, you're not gonna beat us up, are you?
Yeah, I'm a line bouncer for Dollarton while I wait to play. I hear you can play as a truck in this one. Say, Kevin, what's that on your shirt?
Huh?
Hey Neil, that line is bound to get shorter if we kill some time.
But I want to play it now.
Ah, come on, Neil. Let's just go play some of those TV typewriters, huh?
Fine.
Yeah! I got the arcade blues. I got the arcade blues. Baby, she's about to do what we do. Yeah! I got the arcade blues. Yeah! 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 I'm trying to tell you, baby, I got the arcade blues. Walk a mile in my shoes. I got the arcade
broke, but at least we got some tickets.
Ooh, Chinese finger traps, anyone?
Ryan, please. We buy domestic.
We've only got one token left.
You booger brains are a bunch of chumps. I never pay for a game. The old coin on a string trick. Oh no, not again.
Hey, Dollarton! I didn't realize they let jerks into the arcade.
Well, if it isn't the new Kids on the Rock. Make any Nickelodeons lately?
You're a Nickelodeon. You're hogging the machine.
The rules say I play until I am beaten, Neil. What's fair is fair.
But you cheat! You have the game at home!
Now. Don't begrudge those of us who can afford the finer luxuries in life.
Neil, punish this penny pincher.
Yes, Neil. Teach me a lesson.
Computer Fighters 2000. Player 1. Select your computer fighter. Sergeant Hell Karate Ninja Pizza Cop. Pizza Cop. Player 2. Gunfoot.
I always play as Gunfoot.
Computer fight. Instant loser.
No! Oh, that's a pity. Next.
Gunfoot wins. You lose.
Maximilian, escort these beatniks, if you please.
Here you go, friend.
No fun trust fund dunderhead is the worst. I mean, just because you have a lot of money doesn't mean you're better at a game.
I knew the lizard was a bad idea.
And to think, I waited all month to play Computer Fighters 2000, only to have that jerk embarrass me in front of everyone.
You know what, guys? I say the day is young. I think the three of us could still make the best of it. I think we just need to gain some perspective. So why don't we waltz on down to the soup kitchen and volunteer for...
Quitting isn't in my vocabulary.